This is a great little booby, pulling booby. And I really like it. Probably for August to the end of the year. You can use it as a mini lure as well, but I prefer it as this booby. And I started fishing with it this year because the stuff came out this year. A boy sent me it and I had a wee look at it and I was like, yeah, I'll have a wee check. And the stuff just reminds me of snow, frost and ice. You'll see what I mean when I show you, but that's exactly what it reminds me of. It's called Blizzard Flash. You get it in different colours, but it's like white supporting strands. Hard to explain. White supporting strands with like soft silver in the middle. So we've got to get a tail out of this stuff and a wing. I want quite a lot. Not so much in the tail, but a lot in the wing. So I've got quite a healthy amount there. And I'm going to double it over. You can see I've got quite a lot. I'm going to double it over because I want a really quite a big wing on this. So you need to decide where your booby eyes are going. So I give it where my thorax is. So probably about there, I reckon. This has got to go back. You'll see what I mean when I do it. So that's your tail in. And I want about 1/4 inch. There at the back. I've then got this stuff, and I've used it quite a lot in my fly tying. And I got it in a haberdashery store. It is called E980, and it's like a luminous cat yellowy green. And I want one of the ropes of this. It's just like loads of short fibre. Make sure your body is even. So coming up, I've got to get enough space for my booby eyes in there. I hope so. And then coming up with this stuff, just kind of flatten it out. Like so. It's just so bright. And this with the actual flash as well. It's really, really bright. We'll tidy all this up with the eyes. If I do that, you can see if I get rid of that light there. Come in and snip that off. So we've now got to tidy this area up with thread wraps. We're looking for a little bit of taper. So come right to the eye and then pull all this back. There's a lot there, but you need a big bulky wing. This is the tricky bit. Because it's a man-made, it'll slip, so you could put a bit of wax on there. But just cover all that up. Booby eyes have got to go on. Like so. Wing, same length as the tail. As you can see, there's a lot of flash on that. And I've got these small pink booby eyes. I've got them prepared just to go on. And get them sitting bang on. Got a fibre caught in there. Just move that fibre out of the way. And coming through the middle of the booby eyes. Once, twice, thrice through the middle of one eye, and then over once, twice, thrice over the other one. You can see there's a lot going on there. And then just in with your quick finishing tool and just finish the fly. And that's him. That light that's on it's really quite bright. You can see just how much light comes off it. But I take the light back a little bit. Cover it there. But yeah, this stuff which is super bright, and this with a white through it. It's just it's an eye-catching fly. What I will do is put a little bit of varnish just in the bottom of the fly between the eyes. Not that it does anything, it just makes me feel happy. And there he is. Blizzard Flash. That's the stuff, and that's the booby. I really hope you enjoyed that, folks. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Plenty more fly tying, fly fishing videos in there. Take care, and bye-bye.